Cool. What is going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on today's video. I hope you're very well. So it's a bit of a different video compared to what I'm normally doing. I'm not going to be actually on camera. We're just going to get stuck in because I'm already starting it. So we're going to be working on the Fiesta at the moment. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget subscribe at the bottom, click the like button, and also check me out on patreon.com/AJFocus. And also go and grab the new merchandise as well, which is on the Teespring website. All links are down below. Awesome merch like this AJ Focus sticker, which adds 7 horsepower to your engine. Now available on a Teespring store. We have COVID masks, ST-RS masks, ZS masks as well. We've got t-shirts, got hoodies, socks, pillows, ST and RS pillows. Yeah, all on the AJ Focus Teespring storefront. So today, while I'm here now, we're going to be changing this nipple that's coming out the side of the hot side boost pipe here, because now I have my new nipple that's arrived. You might have seen me do a live video a few weeks ago when I accidentally snapped off the nipple end because I couldn't get a socket to fit inside, but now I found a adjustable spanner which I'm going to use today to get inside. So we need to take this pipe off. This is a hot side, so if you have one of these tdci 1.6 Fiestas, you follow that side and you just need to undo it here from here. And if you've upgraded your intercooler like I've done, the RS intercooler, you can go and check that out on my channel. And yeah, so these are upgraded silicone hose joiners all around, as you can see, stainless pipes everywhere. So these pipes are slightly bigger than the OEM ones, so more free flowing. Alright, so first things first we're going to need to do is obviously get this pipe off the back of the turbo here and down on the hot side pipe. So while I do that, I'm just going to disconnect the 2 Jubilee clamps here, and then obviously remove the the vacuum hose here that goes into the, if you're like me and you have the gauge installed in your vent, and that's what that vacuum hose is going to. So yeah, as we need to take off the vacuum hose for the minute. Yeah, just unclip that, pull off the vacuum hose, undo the pipe, and then we'll get ready to install the new nipple. Okay then guys, so I've gone ahead and took out the old nipple. I was going to remove the pipe completely, but I'm not going to do that now because it's just a lot of faff trying to get that off because of the beaded end. Yeah, so I'm just going to do it like this. So you drill a hole in the side of your pipe. You don't have to drill it on the side, you drill it any way you want, I guess, but on the side, because then the vacuum hose can go straight in. So now that I've just cleaned all that up as well, I've just got some degreaser in there and that. So now we're going to need the new nipple, which is this one here, as you saw before. Has a washer, a rubber O-ring washer, sorry, and this washer goes on top of that. Once it goes through, that goes on the outside of the pipe, and this locking nut clamps it all down. But to save any sort of boost leaks happening around the rubber seal, I've got some of this head gasket sealer and water, like for sumps and stuff like that. I'm just going to put a little bit around the rubber O-ring here, and when that dry hard, because it goes like, well, yeah, it goes rock hard. That should create also a seal, and then I'll just put it through, clamp it all down, put the new vacuum hose on, and then we should be good. And fingers crossed. I can't be asked with any more of this nipple stuff, man. This has been going on for like weeks now, waiting for this to arrive, and didn't arrive, so I've ordered another one, cancelled the other one. This one's arrived now. I had to buy a temporary one that I had to make, so this is what I made. I went to a hardware store and just got a straight nipple piece like that, and then a 40mm washer nut on the end, and then I put that through the hole. As you can see, I put gunk around it to stop it from leaking out. So it's a temporary fix that was until this new one arrived, and it held up, you know. I didn't have any more issues with boosting, but just to create myself peace of mind and stuff like that, I want to install this one. So anyway, let's get it installed. Let's get some of this stuff on here. It's quite hard to get out of this tube because of the texture that stuff is made out of. It's weird. It's like almost like rubber. Right, think that should be enough. I'm just going to pause the video and wipe it around there. I'll be back in a sec. Right, so there we go, got the stuff around the bottom of that, and that should create a nice seal. So now I'm just going to stick that through the hole of the pipe and then get ready to clamp it down. I'm not really sure what size that piece, bottom piece here is. I'm guessing it might be a 21mm. So I'm using an adjustable spanner today to hold that in place. And then the little washer nut here is a 13mm. Alright, so that's all the tools you're going to need. And if, like I said, if you're drilling into your hose pipe, yeah, you don't really need a big hole, just big enough so then the thread can come through, obviously. So now I'm just going to feed it on through like that. So now that's come through. So yeah, now put your new O-ring metal washer on the outside of this. I might put a little bit of gunk on there actually as well. 2 seconds. Go. So I've got a little bit around there as well, so that will create a nice seal. Just stick that up against there. Try not to get it inside the hole. Like that. And then we just get the nut, shove him on. Now you're only going to go halfway of this and the whole thing starts spinning. So now you need to obviously get your, I'm guessing like I said it might be a 21 or just adjustable spanner. Try and get that inside to hold it, stop it from spinning. And then use your 13, that's a 14, sorry. Where is it? Up there. 13mm on there, and then do it up and clamp it down nice and tight. I'm going to do that quickly, 2 secs. So that is now on, nice and tight. Now what we're going to do is put the pipe back on. Like that. And then put your Jubilee clamp back on. Right, okay, so now we're just going to do that up. Make sure it's nice and tight, guys. Okay. Good. Right. Tight. And now last but not least, obviously, we put on the vacuum hose. Basically I put a plastic cover, as you can see there's plastic cover over it, to just sort of hide it a little bit and also sort of protects it from the heat on the engine and stuff. And there we go, and now we just put a cable tie around there, just hold it in place. Cable tie up, just stop it from popping off. Nice and tight. And there we go then guys, that's that installed. And there we go then guys, that's the vacuum nipple is now installed. You can see the gunk's coming out around the sides to create a nice seal, and that will be doing it on the inside as well. And just leave that to dry now for a few hours, and then yeah, then come checking it later, make sure it has dried completely. Should take it's quick drying this stuff I put on there, so, and the engine's quite warm, I've not long been home, so yeah, there we go. Hopefully now no more boost leaks. See you guys later on. Thanks very much for watching. If you're on YouTube channel, don't forget subscribe and like. Click at the bottom down there, and also, like I said, go and check out the Teespring storefront where you can grab all the merchandise now: t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, masks, socks, pillows, ST, RS and ZS stuff. It's all on there. And also, if you enjoy videos like this and you want to keep supporting the channel, please sign up to my Patreon. And yeah, every time someone signs up, it definitely helps making more videos and creating more content for you guys. And like I said, we've got a lot more coming on the Fiesta, like brake upgrades, front and back, full suspension. We're doing the full suspension, guys. I'm going to do coilovers, I think. New bushes, strut braces, we're going to be doing it all. So you want to see videos like that, sign up to my Patreon, get involved, and make it happen. So there we go. That is the boost nipple installed on the diesel Fiesta. This works on any sort of diesel car. If you're looking to put a gauge in your car, one of those gauges like that, perfect. Back at -2, where normally it would read -1 and jump back and forth from -1 and 2. That's because it had a slight little vacuum leak. But now the actual proper nipples are installed, and with that gunk around it, it's now reading -2, and it's not jumping back and forth, which to me is now a complete job well done. I'm happy now. That's finally completed. The intercooler and the pipe work is now finally completed. God damn, that was a really stressful sort of job, which shouldn't have been, but it's done, and I'm happy. Gonna let that dry now. Stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later on. Enjoy the rest of your day, your afternoon, or your evening, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, I like that. That's very nice. I'll see you guys soon.